John Playford was a music publisher in the middle of the 17th century. He was one of the first to use movable type to print music, which meant that every note had a single piece of metal, and you could create large pieces of music with very little effort. This made it possible for more people to be able to purchase music for the first time. During the interregnum, the period when Oliver Cromwell was on the throne, he published a book of English country dances. He'd previously published an account of Charles I's beheading, which got him into an awful lot of trouble. And he was a royalist. He wanted to do something patriotic, and he thought that publishing an account of the country dances of England would be a really good thing to do. These were a massive hit. They'd been a traditional pastime of the English for some time. We have records going back to the late 16th century. But it was the first time anybody had made them available in a way that could be used by people across the country. It's the first time that they could travel far and wide. And they contain an amazing variety of different sorts of dancing in them, different shapes, different set formations, different numbers of people, different contexts, some really easy, some really more choreographed by professional dancing masters, but others that were clearly taken straight from the village green where they started. The first dance that we're going to do and show you today is Gathering Peascods, which was from that first publication in 1651. It's a round dance. It's typical of the type of dances in that first publication in that there are 3 parts to it, each introduced by one of the 3 standard introductions, either lead up a double on back, or in this case, circling round in both directions, and then siding, and then arming. And then between those, there's a figure, which in this case is the same each time, although the order of people changes a bit. And in other dances, these could be a different figure, and sometimes they get quite elaborate. This dance is Gathering Peascods.